Okay, this is showing a percent of slope. What we'll do to start with is actually this is the percent of slope button. The percent of slope is also recorded in the measurement table, which I'll show you at the end of this little short presentation. So we're going to hit the percent of slope button to activate this. Now, as you can see, I've got a 2x4 laid out here. We're going to go from the bottom to the top, and then we're going to go midways, because you can figure percent of slope anywhere along the line of slope that you want. You don't have to go the entire distance. You also don't have to zero it, because you're just looking at a differential in height. So to start with here, we're starting out at 5/16. We've got that one. Now I'm going to go all the way to the end of the 2x4 this time. Show what I'm talking about here. Now we're showing a rise of about 16 inches. We'll hit that button again, a little recording button here. Bam. Now you're slowing your percent of slope at, it's actually showing minus 18. That should be a positive. We've got our minus sign reversed there. I've got to change that, but that'll be easy work. We're going to do that. We're doing that tonight. Now I'm going to hit the percent of slope button again. We're going to do this again, go about halfway. Bam, we hit it on 0 that time. Now instead of going all the way up to 2x4, we're just going to go halfway up. We're showing a rise of a little less than 10 inches here. So when you hit that, bam, we've got the same percent of slope, although we just figured half the distance. So it's super easy to figure this. You don't have to go all the way to the top. You don't have to zero your instrumentation. It just looks at the beginning height reading, the ending height reading, the distance between the two, and does the math for you. Now, you can also go into, I'm going to go into view readings here, and we're going to go into this first plot. In the measurement table, you can see the bottom table here on the right-hand side. We've got our percent of slope figured in automatically. The machine, the U-level, does that for you, even without you make it, without anything. It just does it automatically. So you've automatically got that recorded in the measurements table. Whether you need it or not, it's there.